Hello core engineering family. In this video we are going to discuss about what is the significance of the find and replace function in Excel. That is very important, which I have learned recently. So here you will see that I have the data, okay, very large data right now. Here I have, okay, now we will see that what is the significance of your find and replace function, right? What is the significance of it, how we can use it, right? So what we will do simply here, first of all, I just click here, okay, at the A4 cell, and I'll click the entire data simply by Control plus A, right? Then I'll go here in the font and I'll press the all data option, and you will see that all the data will be in the format of the all border, right? Now I have to search something, okay, in this entire data. I do not want to go into the like that, okay, I do not want to go like that where will be my that particular data. Let's suppose what I want to find the density of gas, right? Then how I can find? Simply what I'll do, I'll simply tell you the one shortcut, that is Control plus F, right? So when you will press the Control plus F, then you will find the two options. The first one is your find and the second one is replace, right? So first of all, we will discuss about the find, okay? So here is find what you want to find. So I want to find simply density of gas, okay? So simply I'll write here gas, okay? So when I'll simply write here the gas, so simply press here or click here, find next. So you will find that at here you can see that your cell has been already selected, that is density of gas, okay? Now anywhere else there is the density of gas? No. If it would be, then when you will click the find next, so it will definitely show you, okay? So here is the density of gas. Let's see the example. Here is the density of gas. Let's suppose I simply press this one and I copy here, okay? I copy here, I also copy here, right? So now simply again Control plus F and gas, then find next. So you will see that the first of all density of gas is here. Find next. So you will see that the density of gas here means the Excel will automatically click or automatically comes at your that cell. Are you getting my point? Then the density of gas. Are you getting my point what I want to say? So that is the significance of the find function in Microsoft Excel. Let's suppose you have the large data. Right now I have the large data here. I want to simply find where is the density of gas, so I can find like that. Now you want to replace some data, okay? So what you will do here is the two options. The first one is find what and the second one is replace with, right? So find what you want to find? You want to find the gas, okay? So what I'll do here, simply I'll write here liquid. Find what? Liquid, okay? So Excel will find the liquid wherever the liquid will be, so it will find that, okay? So just LIQUID, liquid. Now replace with what? So you want to replace the liquid with the gas, right? So now what will happen, that if you will select at the particular cell, let's suppose the density of liquid at particular cell, so it will replace only that cell, okay? But if you will simply select here the replace all, so it will simply replace your all the liquid cell, okay? Just see here, when I'll click at the replace all, so you will see that your entire data has been changed. So simply you can see here what will happen, that I'll simply close it. So all the data has been changed here, okay? Means your entire data has been changed with the density of gas. That same you can do. Let's suppose if I select this cell, okay, that is BK165 cell. If I select that cell and I simply press Control plus F, and now I want to replace, okay? So find what? I want to simply find the gas, okay? I want to replace with liquid, or let's suppose I want to just write the name James, okay? You want to replace with that James. Now if you will simply press replace, okay, if you will simply click with replace, so you will find that here you can simply see that it has been replaced with the James, right? I hope you are getting my point what I want to say. Earlier what was here? So simply do the undo. So you will find that here was the your density of gas. Now what is here? Density of James. Are you getting my point what I want to say? So that is the significance of the find and replace. Means you can find your any data, you can simply find, and you can also replace that data. Okay, let's suppose if I want to replace only this one. Okay, if just I want to replace only this one, then what I can do? Simply Control plus F. You have to go with the replace. Okay, now I'll go to the replace, then find what? Density of gas. Okay, and simply what you can write here? Density, right? So find what? Density. Now replace with James. Simply click replace all. Then you will find here that all done. We have made 21 replacements. Then simply OK, close. So you will find that it also replace the data which you select. Okay, so that is the significance of the find and replace function in the Microsoft Excel, right? So I hope that you learned that how to use the find and replace function in the Microsoft Excel. That's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning.